Today we're going to bring a noise cancellation headsets, and these are one of the most comfortable headsets I wear. These are perfect if you're going to be traveling in the airplane. Flexibility is easy for kids or any adult. They pretty much wrap around your whole entire ear. They include all the buttons on one side. You got your plus and minus for the audio control, your button for pause and play, and then you got your actual Bluetooth or the actual NC connection. To charge is very simple. It's a type C. Right now I'm actually in a park and it's very noisy. Every time I come here I hear birds, people around me. This is a perfect item to use when you want to hear your music or just take a walk.